Welcome to Mount classes. This is part 2 video for trigonometry. It is for 10th standard. Those who are all not seen the part 1 video, please go through the part 1 video, then come to this part 2 video. Then only you will be able to understand clearly. Let us start. Here, the value of sin A or cos A never exceeds 1 and secant A or cosecant A will be equal to 1 or greater than 1. Here sin 90 minus A. So here before going to sin 90 minus A, so what are all the quadrants are there? There are 4 quadrants, right? The first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosine are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot is positive. Fourth quadrant, cos and secant is positive. Here, now we are going to talk about only the first quadrant. Sin 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A means it will come in the first quadrant. Here, sin 90 minus A. Here, the sign will change as cos 90 minus A. The angle will be the same. Similarly, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Secant 90 minus A, cosecant A. Cos 90 minus A, sin A. Cot 90 minus A, tan A. Cosecant 90 minus A, secant A. These 6 ratios are very, very important. So 90 minus theta is equal to the sine will be changing to cos. Tan will become cot, secant will become cosecant. Cos will become sine, cot will become tan, and cosecant will become secant. This you have to keep it in your mind. And some of the identities are sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. See, if sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 means, what is sine square A? Sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. At the same time, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. If you know this identity, these two identities, you can write it. Similarly, secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. What is secant square A? Secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Similarly, what is tan square A? Tan square A is equal to secant square A minus 1. So, if you know this formula, you can write this other two formula. These are also identity. These two also identity. So, one from this secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. In this formula, we are writing this another two identity. What about this? Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So, if cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A means cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to what? 1. Cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Similarly, cot square A, or we can write like this, right? Cosecant square, we can send this that side. Minus 1. Cot square A minus cosecant square A is equal to minus 1 will come. Okay. So, it is the identity, you should keep it in your mind. Now, here we have to find the value of sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 whole divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 cot 45. Here you must know the value of sin 30, tan 45, all those things. Now, how you will remember the formulas? Already I told you, you should know the value of 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1, right? If you take a square root, already we have seen in the first video, right? If you are taking square root on that, what you will get? Sin 0 is equal to what? 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, and then sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, 1. If you are writing reverse it, 1 root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan is this 0. Here what you will get? 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. That means you will get 1 by root 3 and then 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 you will get 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 you will get root 3. It is infinity. So this is for sine, cos, and here it is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So if you are getting the sums like that, you must write all those values in your right hand side. Then you will not make any mistakes. Here, what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is equal to what we are getting? 1 by 2, right? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, and then tan 45 is equal to 1. What about cosecant 60? Cosecant 60 is sine 1 by sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, cosecant means 2 by root 3. Correct? Whole divided by secant 30. Secant 30 means 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So, if you are reversing it, 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45, 1. Understand? So, now what is the LCM of the numerator? 1 plus half, 1 and a half. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 divided by, here also 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. So, if you take LCM, what you will get? 3 root 3 minus 4, right? Divided by 2 root 3 into, here also 2 root 3, I am reversing it. So, what you will get? 3 root 3 plus 4. So, this 2 will be cancelled. So, what you will get? 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So, here 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So, I am going to multiply 3 root 3 plus 4 both numerator and denominator. Okay. So, if you are multiplying both numerator and denominator, what you will get? Root 3, 3 root 3, right? 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, right? 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square divided by 3 root 3 square minus a square minus b square will come, right? So that means 27 minus 16. So that is equal to what you will get? 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3. Here 27 minus 16, what you will get? 11, right? 27 minus 6. That is equal to 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11 is the answer. Understand what we did? 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by 3 root 3 minus 4. So that means 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square divided by, here it will come a plus b into a minus b, right? So that is a square minus b square. A square means 3 square into 3. That means 27. 4 square is 16. Clear? So 43 minus 24 root 3 whole divided by 11 is the answer. This is 11. Clear? Let us go to the next. Here, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So what has been given? Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by 3. What is root 3? Tan a plus b is equal to tan 60, right? Root 3, what is the value of root 3? Tan 60. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 60, right? Tan, we are taking a plus b, it will go as tan inverse of 60, it will go 60. Similarly, here, tan a minus b is equal to tan 30, right? 1 by root 3 is tan 30. So, that is a minus b is equal to 30. So, that is a minus b is equal to 30. So, if you are adding these two, what you will get? 2a is equal to 90. Therefore, a is equal to 90 by 2, 45. If a is 45, what is b? B is equal to 15, right? Because a plus b is equal to 60. B is equal to 15. Therefore, angle a is equal to 45 degree and angle b is equal to 15 degree. Find angle a and b. Clear? Now, evaluate tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. What is tan square 45? Tan 45, right? 2 into 1 square plus root 3 by 2, right? Cos 30 whole square. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to 2 plus, what you will get? Root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. These two will be cancelled. So 0. That is equal to, the answer is 2. Understand? Let us go to the next. Here, so that tan 40, 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1. Up to 2 here. Here we have to use the sin 90 minus. So tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is the LHS. Okay, so LHS is equal to this much. So what is tan 48? Tan 48 can be written as 90 minus 42, right? Similarly, tan 23 can be written as 90 minus 67. Then we can write the tan 42, tan 67 as this. So tan 90 minus a, what you will get? Cot 42, this will become cot 67, tan 42, tan 67. So, rewrite cot 42 into tan 42, cot 67 into tan 67. Correct? So, what is cot 42 into tan 42? This cot 42 can be written as 1 by tan 42. So, these two will become 1 into 1. So, the answer is 1. Okay. What about this? Cos LHS. LHS is equal to cos 38, cos 52. So, here cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. So, cos 38, how we are going to write this? Cos 90 minus 52, right? Similarly, cos 90 minus 38 minus of Sin 38 into sin 52. So cos 90 minus 52, what you will get? Sin 52 into sin 90 minus 38, what you will get? Sorry, here 38 will come, right? Sin 90 minus 52, 38. Here sin 52, 90 minus 38, sin 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Okay, so sin 38 minus, sin 38 into sin 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52, that is equal to 0. It is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Yeah. Let us move to the next. Here, express the trigonometric ratios in sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So we have to express the sin A in the form of cot A. So here we have to use the identity. What is the identity of cosecant square A? What is cosecant square A? Cosecant square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A, right? So cosecant square can be written in a form of 1 by sin square A, right? So 1 plus, so 1 by 1 plus cot square A. So 1 by sin square, I am going to invert it. So sin square A is equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. What about sin A? Sin A is equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So sin A we have written in the form of cot. Correct? 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square. Now, what about tan A? Tan A, what is tan A? Tan A can be written as 1 by cot A. Now, we have to write secant A. What is secant square A? Secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A, right? So, that is equal to 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square I am going to write in the form of 1 by cot square A. So, that is equal to cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A, right? Therefore, secant A is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot square A will become cot A. Now we have written secant A in the form of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A, and tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Sin A is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square. So everything we have written in the form of cot. Okay. Let us go to the next. Here, prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta and cosecant theta. So, what is LHS? LHS we have to take it out. Tan theta whole divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Here 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. So here that means 1 by cos theta and 1 by sin theta. So we have to use sin theta cos theta. We have to convert the LHS in the form of sin theta cos theta. So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Similarly, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, right? Now, this sin theta divided by cos theta into here sin theta is the LCM, right? I am reversing it. Sin theta minus cos theta plus here cos theta by sin theta to cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Understand what we did? So here I have taken the LCM of sin theta and I inverted it, sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly here cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Here sin theta minus cos theta, here cos theta minus sin theta. What I am going to take? I am going to take 1 by sin theta minus cos theta outside. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta divided by cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta. Why I make it as sin minus? Because here this cos theta minus sin theta, I have taken minus outside, then only it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Clear? Now, let us take the LCM here. So, 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Here, sin theta cos theta is the LCM. Sin cubed theta minus cos cubed theta whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, so it is a cubed minus b cubed. What is a cubed minus b cubed? A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, right? So here 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, this I am going to write it as sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin theta cos theta. So what will happen? These two will cancel, right? So what you are getting, sin square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1, right? It is an identity. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So that is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta, right? So that is equal to what? Sin theta divided by sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 by sin theta cos theta can be written as cosecant theta and secant theta. So this is part RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the group. Okay, understand? Let us move to the last sum. Here, sin theta minus 2 sin cubed theta divided by 2 cos cubed theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. It is very simple. So now in the LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cubed theta divided by 2 cos cubed theta minus cos theta. So sin theta I am going to take outside. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta. We take cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So this cos square theta I am going to write in the form of 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Understand? What I have done here? Cos square theta we have changed it to 1 minus sin square theta. Now simplify it. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin theta to 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This 2 sin square theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta will be cancelled. So what we left? Sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta by cos theta? Tan theta. Therefore LHS equal to, hence the, so that's it for the day. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends and give your likes. Thank you.